Hey wrestling fans! WWE 2K25 is slamming onto Nintendo Switch 2 this month with epic modes and exclusive pre-order goodies. Ready to step into the ring on the go? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this Switch 2 showdown. WWE 2K25 hits Nintendo Switch 2 on July 23rd, bringing all the action from its March launch on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. With open world modes, pre-order bonuses, and multiple editions, this is a must-play for wrestling fans. Want the full scoop? Keep watching! WWE 2K25 on Switch 2 comes in Standard, Deadman, and the Bloodline Edition, packed with every game mode from other consoles. That includes the Open World, the Island mode, previously exclusive to PS5 and Xbox Series SX, where you roam 4 districts, tackle quests, and face challenges. Plus, 2K Showcase, My GM, My Faction, My Rise, and Universe modes are all in, making this a full wrestling experience. Standard Edition includes the base game plus the Wyatt 6-pack with 5 playable WWE superstars and cosmetic items for the island. The Deadman Edition adds a bonus pack with Mattel Elite Greatest Hits Undertaker, Original Undertaker 90 Persona cards, a usable urn, Undertaker 95 mask, and Brother Love Manager. Later, it'll include the WrestleMania 41 pack with a new arena and superstars. WWE 2K25 on Switch 2 brings console-quality wrestling to portable powerhouse. The open world mode and full feature set make it a standout, while pre-order bonuses add extra flair. Whether you're a casual fan or a hardcore grappler, this release proves the Switch 2 has got game. Is this the ultimate portable wrestling title? WWE 2K25 drops on Switch 2 on July 23rd, so pre-order now to snag those bonuses. Whether you're exploring the island or building your legacy in My Rise, it's time to hit the ring. Which mode or superstar are you hyped for? Drop it below. That's the scoop on WWE 2K25's Nintendo Switch 2 debut. Are you grabbing the Deadman Edition or pumped for the Island mode? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.